Replit stopped being a code editor a while ago. It now builds the whole app, deploys it, and hosts the database. And the free plan lets you publish exactly one thing. We review it, so you don't have to. Replit is a browser-based platform where you build and deploy software without setting anything up. The center of it now is Agent, an AI that writes production-ready code from a plain description and keeps developing the project with very little guidance from you. What it can produce is broader than most people expect. Web apps, mobile apps, landing pages, slides, animations, data visualizations, 3D games, documents and spreadsheets, and several of those inside a single project. There is an infinite canvas for pushing designs around before you commit to them. Sign-in and database hosting are built in, and it connects to over 100 services, including OpenAI, Stripe, and Google Workspace. Now the free tier. Starter gives you free daily agent credits, the built-in database, and the ability to make slides, videos, and animations. The ceiling is publishing. One project. You can build as much as you like and put exactly one of it in front of another human being. Deployments can be private or password protected, which is genuinely useful, but it is still one. So, the verdict. Replit is the most complete of the AI builders, and those daily free credits are real. The single published project is the wall, and you hit it the moment you have a second idea. 8 out of 10.
If this was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review lands in your feed. Turn the bell on so you catch it. Thanks for watching.